Now it's time to clean the basket. Once again, I use the toothbrush to clean this, to clean everything, the basket and everything. Okay? So I told you before, you don't have to go crazy with it, but you still want to have it clean. Okay, you can see now, this is nice and clean. Nice and clean, so I'm just gonna put it in salt water. As part of your filter's maintenance, do not forget to rinse, brush, and dip into salt water, one in each part of your filter. Now we're gonna go ahead and clean this part. We're gonna clean around the gasket. Okay, so this is done. Impeller must be cleaned to ensure proper functionality of your filter. Do this by twisting the impeller's cover and carefully pull the impeller. When brushing the impeller, take your time and be very careful. Keep in mind that the impeller is made out of plastic and can break. All parts must be cleaned, including the impeller's cover and the impeller's compartment. After you have finished cleaning, now it's time to put the impellers back in place. Do this carefully, making sure impeller is perfectly aligned. Then close the compartment and make sure you listen to the clicking noise, letting you know the cover has been in place. Okay, so we're gonna use first the mechanical filtration, which is the foam. Then we're gonna go ahead and use the nitrate remover, because I had a little bit of nitrate, so I want to get rid of it. We're gonna use the bio rings instead of the bio stars. Then we're gonna use the grill. Then we're gonna use the carbon. So it's mechanical, biological, and chemical filtration. In this case, we're using mechanical, biological, chemical, and chemical. You know what I mean? Mechanical is the foam, biological is the bio rings, chemical is the nitrate remover and ammonia, and this is chemical too. So after you're done with the chemical, you install the other grill, push it, and then you're gonna use at last another mechanical filtration, which is a fine foam pad. Okay, after that, after you're doing that, you're ready to go, and you're ready to place the top layer to cover the basket. Okay, so it should be done. Then you go ahead and put it into your container. Then you put the cover, seal it, and you're done. Just clean it a little bit and you're good to go. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and install the canister filter. Okay, so as you see, I already put it in place. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it. It's not primed yet, but anything is, all the system is, I shut it off, so I can plug it now. And then you're gonna go ahead and put this on top and close it. You're gonna hear how the water is gonna come down. You hear it sucking all the water from the tank. Also, the air is going out. You can see here. You can see it's coming out from the hydro water deflector, and it's gonna fill by itself. So now what you have to do is you just have to remove the cup. You can see more air, and then you're gonna use the priming funnel. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the water. Okay, so I'm gonna start putting the water into the canister filter. You're gonna see how the bubbles are, all the air is going out through the hydro water deflector in the middle. I don't know, you can see my finger. So in this way, what we're doing it, we are filling the tank, but also we are priming the pump, the canister filter pump. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plug the filter and everything. The whole system is gonna be running now. So let's go ahead and you see all the air. That's normal. All the air is coming out of the filter, but it will disappear later. That's normal, so don't worry about that. Also the noise that is kind of water running through the canister filter, that's gonna disappear too, because that's normal when in the beginning. Okay, so now we're gonna do the last step of water change, which is we're gonna add a nutrafin cycle product. I'm gonna add 10 milliliters of this thing. It's just as the direction said, 5 milliliters threads 10 gallons US water. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour 10 milliliters. In that way, all the ammonia all the good bacteria that we remove when we rinse all the foam, the bio stars, the charcoal, cleaning everything, this is gonna help to reestablish all that good bacteria that it was growing on the tank. Okay, so it's now almost 2 hours later after we did all the water change and canister filter maintenance. So just wanted to show you the way everything is looking now. You can see the water is looking crystal clear now. So you can see the torch coral is starting to expand a little bit more. Also the hammer coral, same thing. Candy cane coral is doing same thing. Everything is starting to come out. The polyps, everything is starting. The green star. Okay, now you can see everything is nice and clean because we rake all the sand and clean all the coral and algae that was starting to grow in the tank. Okay, you can see the filter is still throwing some air bubbles, but that's not a big deal. It will eventually, they will disappear. Here is my other fish that I didn't show you before, which is a lawnmower blenny. My pygmy angel, which is behind and is swimming around the tank. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Once again, I do this video for the newbies like me. You have comments, whatever if you have any questions, you have any suggestion, I'm open to good suggestion with questions. Okay, so please comment, rate and subscribe. Bye bye then, have a good day.